This one is for my girlies with the sparse brows. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. Pow. Okay.
What's up? Yeah. What up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah. What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay.
So I started by getting rid of the excess hairs and getting my shape to my brow to the shape that I wanted it to be. Okay. And at the end of it, as you guys could see, I did not have a tail. And that's why I need this. That's why I decided to use this brow tint. Okay. Because previously I used the just for men brow thingy and beard thingy, and that shit did not work. Okay. It just tinted the hairs that I already had, but the tail just was blank. Okay. Anyhow, so I used P. Louise blank canvas to outline my brows. That's where I messed up, because you guys will see. So I started outlining my brows and filling them in just like I would normally do it if I was doing makeup. Okay, but I used like 10 coats on the tail so that it would like show up, because like I said, I used the beard thingy and I was still without a tail. So yeah, I put extra coats at the ending of my brows, like the tail area, and towards the front I used like short hair like strokes so that it could be lighter. There I am, hoping that this shit comes out good, because look how jagged this looks. This looks untidy. This looks, oh. Anyhow, I'm using some alcohol to, remove the excess, and look at that shit. That shit is crooked as fuck, and that happened because I outlined it, and I don't know what happened. I don't know, but what I did was I went back in with a eyeliner brush that was precise, and I did not outline anything. Okay, so I could see what I was doing, and girl, was I proud of the end result. You'll see. Okay. Alright, so this is what it was looking like when I was done filling it in, and I was super proud. I was happy. And this is what it was looking like after I wiped it off. Like, I have brows, you guys. Like, I have brows. Like, I could literally say that I woke up like this for the next 6 weeks. Well, they say it lasts 6 weeks, but I'm gonna give you all the tea. If you guys want to know, like, if this lasted 6 weeks, like, if you want to update and review, I got you. Okay, look at my brows, y'all. Like, I could hear Dora in my head, like, we did it. Yeah, Lohusimo, we did it. Look at that shit. I'm about to wake up like this for the next 6 weeks. And this is what it looked like with makeup on. Like, I did not put any makeup on my brows, you guys. I just started doing my makeup. Like, oh my god, I'm shook. I'm shooketh. Like, I have no words. I have no more words. I'm done. Okay. I'm happy.